Kyla and I am back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me makeup for hyperpigmentation, and as you can see I got a little bit that I need to work on, so that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be covering her up, and I'm going to use my favorite. I have two favorites, but I'm going to be using my favorite foundation, which is it's a little dirty, but this is the KatVonD Lockit Tattoo Foundation. I'm in this shade, you can see, deep 74. Is it 74? Yeah, warm. So that's what I'm going to be using. I do basic. When I tell you basic, I do basic makeup. So I'm gonna actually do my eyebrows, and then I'm gonna come back and apply this foundation, and you guys can see what steps I'm gonna be using. So let me do that, and then I'll come back. Okay, so now that I did my eyebrows, just basic, fill them in. I'm not good on the termination, okay? So just bear with me. I do my makeup my way, and it always comes out good. So, you know, that's what I'm gonna do. Oh, first, let me say this. I prime my face with the MORPHE Foundation Primer Revitalizer. So I used that, and everything's pretty dirty, so sorry about that. And then let's see, right now we're gonna start off with the fix fluid, and I'm gonna spray my face with that just to set my makeup up. There we go. This is just a little one, so I'm gonna set. Have that sitting for a little bit. And I'm gonna go with my foundation now. I have this foundation, but I also found this small little tube one, and it's the same thing. See, it's the same thing. I found it at Ross. So, but I'm gonna use my mirror. I'm sorry, my I should have a mirror. I'm gonna use my camera to kind of see where I'm putting stuff. I don't put a lot because I don't need a lot now, because this kind of covers, my marks kind of faded over the years, but this kind of covers a lot, so I really don't need that much. And this is kind of like my everyday, not every day, but just when I'm wanting to go somewhere, and I feel like putting on makeup, or maybe just a little bit. It looks like a lot, but it's not a lot. Especially once I blend in, it should be better. But this is like my perfect shade. Alright, so on camera it looks a little orange-ish. Yeah, it's really hard to find my color, but outside it looks amazing. Another foundation I wanted to show you guys is the Huda Beauty. I have the shade Cinnamon 440G. And yeah, this is another good foundation. So next I'm gonna go with my concealer. The concealer that I'm using is Juvia's Place number 13. Focus. And my nails, they're press-ons, okay guys? And I'm gonna use just a little bit. Middle and down the bridge, and I'm gonna blend that out. I hate that I have this right here. I don't have upper lip, guys. Yeah, so we're gonna blend that out. I'm just gonna speed through. So yeah, this side is definitely more blended, better than this side. I'm missing my eyebrows. There we go. Yeah, so now we have our little canvas. Little sculpting is gonna be happening right now, and I'm gonna sculpt and then pop back in and then blend. I'm gonna use I only use 3 brushes: powder, foundation, and concealer brush. But I'm gonna use, actually I'm lying, I have a contour brush, and this is e.l.f. This is an e.l.f. one. Obviously to do that, but let me contour off camera and then I'll pop back in and we can blend it out together. Okay, so I'm back. You're barely gonna see it on camera because it barely shows up on me, but I have this here Pro Concealer, LA Girl Pro Concealer, in the shade Dark Cocoa. And then for the concealer part with doing my eyebrows, I use Suede. There's another one that I use, probably Chestnut. I'm thinking Chestnut. I use that as well for contouring and concealing. But now I'm gonna go ahead and blend, and I just want like a subtle contour. I don't do this all the time, but for the sake of this video, So there we have it, contoured, and we are gonna set everything. Okay, so now that we have that light contour in there, as you can see, probably like right there and right there, you can probably see, but in real life, you're not gonna see that. So what we're gonna do now is set everything, and I'm just using an inexpensive setting powder, and it's the airspun. In this shade, I don't know what the shade is. Oh, honey beige. And we're just gonna go under the eye. We're gonna do middle forehead everywhere that we did the concealer. We're gonna do that area. And okay, gang, so I have set my foundation, my concealer, my foundation, whatever, and everything is blended. I'm going to add lashes later, but right now I'm gonna take this brow mascara and just brush these up. And I put on okay, guys, so now I'm just touching up my lashes, making sure that they are on correctly, and she's all done. Final look. Everything's all blended together, and I'm ready for the day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. I just want to pop back in and say thank you for watching my video. Also, I forgot to do like an outro. So this is just me showing you that my makeup does not look orange. It just is the lighting, okay? And she's looking cute and basic, you know what I mean? That's just like the everyday, just like basic makeup. And going on and looking cute, you know what I mean? Looking cute, basically looking cute. I don't know where I was going with that, but thank you for watching. I hope that you liked my video. I hope I could do more makeup tutorials or get ready with me's or what I do in my routine, and I'll see y'all in the next one.